So in this video lecture, we're going to discuss about the requirements for a test tool in Unit 5 test automations. So we previously in a previous topic design and architecture of automation, we discussed about some framework. So in that framework, present detailed criteria that such a framework and its usage should satisfy. The first requirements one for a test tool is a no hard coding in the test suite. So that means what actually one of the most requirement of a test suite is to keep all variables separately in a file. By the source code for the test should not need to be modified every time it is required to run and test the different values of the variables. The variable for the test shoot are called configuration variables. File in the which all variables names and their associated values are kept is called as configuration file. Providing the inline commands for the each of the variable will make the test shoot more usable and more avoid improper usage of variable. So this is the first requirement in the test tool. Second requirement 2 is a test case should expandable. So test case go through large amount of chances and additionally there are situation for the new test to be added to the test shoot and test case modification and new test case insertion should not result in the existing test cases failing. And the next requirement is a reuse of code for different types of testing and test cases. So the functionality of the product when subjected to the different scenario becomes test cases for the different types of test case testing. This encourages the reuse of code in automation. So reuse of code for different types of testing and test case. So this functionality that encourage the reuse of code in automations. All the functions that are needed by more than one test can be separated and included in the libraries. So this is a requirement 3. And the requirement 4 for the test tool is a automatic setup and cleanup. So setup and cleanup, automatic setup, everyone smartphone maximum there is a available this feature set automatic setup and cleanup feature. So each test program should have a setup program that will create the necessary setup before executing the test case, and a setup for one test case may work negatively for another test case. Hence it is important not only to create a setup but also undo the setup soon after the test execution for the test cases. And requirement 5 independent test cases. So what is independent test cases requirements? So test cases need to independent not only the design phase but also in the execution phase also. Particular test cases should not expect any other test cases to have been executed before, not assume the certain other test case will be run after it. So this is a independent test cases requirement. And the next requirement 6 is a insulting test cases. Requirement 6 is a insulting test cases dependency. Requirement 6 is a test case dependency. They may be need for the test cases to depend on others. It make necessary for a particular test case to be executed before on or after the dependent test cases. So requirement 7 insulting test cases during the execution. To avoid the test cases failing during the some unfortunate events, the framework should provide an option for users to block some of the event. So next requirement is the coding standards and directory structure. So coding standards or proper directory structures for a test shoot may helps for the new engineer in understanding the test shoot fast and helping in maintaining the test shoots. And the next one is the selective execution of test cases. So test tool or framework should have to facility for the test engineer to select a particular test cases or a set of test cases and execute them. The selection of test cases need not be in any order and any combination should be allowed. So this is the requirements for the test tool. Okay, so the very important nine requirement, very important, this 9 requirement is a very important requirement for a test tool. And the next topic in the unit 5 test automation and software testing is the challenges. Challenges in automation. So most important challenge of automation is a management commitment. So management commitment is a very important challenges to processing automation, test automation. Automation takes times and effort and payoff in the long run. Management should have patience and persist and with automations. So these are the challenges in automation: effective communication and collaboration. And the next one, selecting the right tool. So very important. Where all challenges are very important, but selecting the right tool is a very important and demanding the skilled resources. Next challenge is selecting a proper testing approach, and next one, the high upfront investment cost. So these are the challenges for the in the automations. The successful test automation involved are characterized by management commitment, a clear vision of the goal, and the ability to set realistic short-term goals that track progress with respect to the long-term vision. So this is a challenges in the automations. Thank you all.